friends, welcome back to my channel Techie World. Now in this video, let's learn a very important topic of CSS, that is responsive websites. Now in simple words, these responsive websites are the websites which organize their content on the basis of the screen size. Now let's understand this with help of real example. So friends, now I'm on my Chrome browser, and over here let me open a website. For example, let's say Instagram, and over here you can see I got Instagram on my computer screen. Now let me open the same website on my mobile phone. So over here I will search Instagram, and I will open this. And now you can see I got Instagram on my mobile phone also. So friends, over here in my computer screen, you can see here in menu bar, along with the icons over here, I am getting the text also: home, search, explore, reels, etc. But here in my computer, mobile phone, you can see that I am only getting the icons. I'm not getting the text over here. And same way here I am getting some extra icons which I'm not getting in my mobile computer screen. So friends, now you might think that these two websites are different, but the answer is no. These two websites are same, only their look on different screens is different. So over here we can tell that this Instagram website is a responsive website, because as I told you that a responsive website is a website which organizes its content on the basis of screen. And here we can clearly see that this Instagram website is organizing its content on the basis of the device, okay, the screen size of the device. So you can see over here there are so many changes from the mobile screen to the computer screen. So friends, now let us learn how we can add different type of styles, different type of CSS, different type of HTMLs for different type of screens, for different types of devices. So now let's learn. So friends, now I am on my VS Code, and over here you can see that I have one HTML file and CSS file. So now let's create one very simple web page where we'll have one menu bar. So now let's create it. So first I will create one boilerplate over here. I will change the title Techie World CSS, and after that to create one menu bar we need one list. So you will unordered list. So friends, if you don't know how to create a list, or if you want to know more about list, you can watch my video on list. So the link of the video will be in the description below. So link, list, enter, and this will be our first item of the list. So let's say home. After that list, about, and after that over here let it be notifications, and after that here contact. So I'll save this. I'll go to my browser. So you can see I got a list, home, about, notification, and contact. So friends, over here what I'll do is I'll go to my style part, and I will select my li, and before selecting it, let me provide it a class. So Ctrl+Shift+L, and when I'll do this I can select all my li tags at once and provide them with the same class. So class equals list1. So this will be our list1 and list1. So friends, over here let it be font size, let it be 30 pixel. After that font weight bolder, and after that a border 2 pixel solid green. Okay, green. And after that, friends, let me provide it a margin. So margin means space around it, so let it be 10 pixel. Okay, so now I'll save this, and first I'll link it with my HTML. So link CSS, and I'll save this HTML file also. So you can see I got my home, about, notification, a menu bar type thing over here. So first let me set the width, because you can see now here it is taking the 100% width available, and here we don't want the dots, we don't want the list dots. So what we can do is we can set the list style to none. Okay, so when we set the list style to none, so the style provided to list will be none, the default style. Okay, and over here what we can do is width only, let's say 40% or 50%. I'll save this, and you can see now it is only taking 50% of the width, and it can be 50% or 20%, so it will look good. So you can see now it is looking good. So friends, now as we just now saw in our Instagram website, when the screen size was changed to mobile screen, instead of this text over here, only icons were shown. So now first of all we need icons also over here, that I forgot to put. So now let me tell you how we can put icons over here. So when we change the mobile screen, computer screen to mobile screen, then only icons were displayed. So now let's learn how we can do that. And first of all, let me tell you how we can put icons. So first of all, let's learn that. So Font Awesome is a website from where we can get the fonts. So this is the website from where we get the font. Now to refer our browser to this website to get the font, we need a link. So to get the link of this website, we have to go here, CDN, and over here we'll get the link of the website, of Font Awesome website, and we can copy this and we can paste it here inside our header. So you can see I got the link. Now I'll save this, and I will take some icons from here by searching home. So after searching, you can see now it is loading. So here you can see I got one home icon. So over here you can see there are so many icons, but these icons with the pro symbol are paid icons, but these icons where this pro sign is not there are free icons. So we can select them, and we can copy this code, that is HTML code, and there's then we can come to our VS Code in our HTML file, and we can paste it over here wherever we want, and now we'll get the icon. You can see I got the icon also. So same way for about, let it be about. Okay, so over here about so let it be this. Okay, so copy, and I'll paste it here, and same way for contact or for notification. So let's say messages. Okay, so here I will take this and I will copy this, I'll paste it over here in front of my notifications, and same way for contact. I'll take public. So from here, so let me search contact only. So friends, I'll take this, I'll copy this, and I will paste it over here. So friends, over here you can see that I'm getting the icons along with my text, and let me change the screen size to my mobile screen. So now no need to go to mobile screen again. What we can do is we can right click on our web page, inspect, and over here only we get a option to select the type of width we want. Okay, so now here when I will move this, you can see the width is changing. When I'll move this, height is changing. So friends, now from here also we can select, let's say if I want this iPhone 12 Pro, so you can see in iPhone 12 Pro our menu bar is looking something like this, which is really not good, because when we opened Instagram in our mobile phone, what was happening is only we were getting the icons. So now let's learn how we can do that. So friends, to do that, what we need to do is we need to write one thing, that is media query. And first, before doing that, we need to create one separate list where we only have the icons, we don't have the text along with the icons. So first I'll copy this, I'll paste the same thing over here also, and here what I can do is I can remove this. So same way for contact also. And friends, over here what I can do is instead of list 1, list 2, list 2, list 2, and same way list 2. So friends, now over here let me select list 2, and let me provide it with same type of style. So I'll copy this, and over here let me close this. So friends, over here you can see that I'm getting the icons over here also, but I don't want them to be displayed here, okay, only in the mobile screen. So for that we need to write one thing, that is media query. So friends, media query means like we have different type of media devices, computer screen, mobile, after the tab, and many more. So for so to set different types of CSS for different types of media devices, we need to write this media query. So media, and here we have to set the min width and max width, min height and max height. So first let me set max height. So over here friends, max height, let it be 500 pixel, and after that over here inside my list 2, first of all I'll make it display none. So when we when we set anything to display none, what happens is the item will be not displayed on the web page. But over here we have defined that if media screen, if the sorry, not height, over here width, if the width of the screen is less than 500 pixel, then make the list 2 over here display block. So over here let me save this. So friends, now let me do inspect, and over here you can see that I'm not getting the icons over here, I'm only getting the icons with the text. Okay, so now let me do inspect, and over here as you can see our width over here is less than let me do it less than. So now we are getting the icons, but here we don't want this things, that is icons with the text. So what we can do is we can make them display none. So here list 1, what we can do is display none. Okay, so now they'll be not displayed if the screen width is less than 500 pixel. So you can see now our screen width is less than 500 pixel, so we are not getting the icons with the text, we are getting only the icons. So friends, same way I can do min width. So min width means if our minimum width is 500 pixel, then don't make this display block, don't make this display none. But if it is more than 500 pixel, then make this display block and make this display none. So let me show you how it works. So min width. So here if our screen is more than 500 pixel, you can see I'm only getting the icons. Okay, so here the conditions can be changed also. For this it can be none, and for this one it can be block. So over here min width means our minimum width is 500 pixel, and if the width is more than 500 pixel, list 2 will be display none and list 1 will be display block. So you can see now our width is more than 500 pixel, so our icon with the text is visible, that is list 1 is visible, and if it is less also it is visible because we have already set the list 2 to display none. So nowhere we have defined that it should be display block. So friends, same way over here what we can do is min height. If it is less than 500 pixel, sorry, here it should be display block, and here let me make it display none. So over here min height, and let it be max height. Okay, so max height means if our height is less than 500 pixel, then list 2 should be displayed and list 1 should be not displayed. So over here make it less than 500, so you can see, yeah, less than 500, then you can see our list, only our icon is visible, that is only our list 2 is visible. So friends, I hope you understood how media queries works, why we need a responsive website, and how responsive website works. So I'll meet you in next video with some new CSS topics. So till then, be connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.